Guys, clear nyo yung gitna. Ayan.
D. Tapos, kalaban mo siya.
Kapag tama po yung sabi niyo po dun sa ano po, atake po yung player niyo po dyan. Kapag mali naman po.
Mukha siyang aksi.
Ito na ko lang. What is card scheming?
Gumagana yan.
Speeding up. Ay, mali ako. Mali ako.
Mamamatay ka ng MP.
What evolved ng feeling? Hindi ko alam. Ano sagot?
Turuan niyo, sir!
Wala lang. Ay, mali ulit ako. How long is scheming? Ano sagot din dito? Several weeks? Ay, tama. Which part of the card data can be stolen by card scheming? All of the above? Diba? Which method is generally safer when paying at the terminal? Manual entering the card number. Ay, mali. Ano sagot? Where? What is a sign that scheming device may be attached to a card reader? Ano sagot nyo? Makes. It makes? Ito ba? Yung sound?
Ginugulo ni sister.
Mali ka! What type of card are criminals able to steal information from using scheming device? Ito. Where are you most likely to encounter card scheming devices?
Yan, ano, ATMs. ATMs ang sagot.
What additional tool they can use to steal hidden camera?
Card, ano, skimming overlay. Kinakabahan siya, skimming overlay.
What are the card scheming devices often installed? All of the above.